Hello friends, I'm Sharayu and I'm an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy Learning app where you will find my other courses as well. So this lesson is on COD, that is chemical oxygen demand, which is a part of characteristics of sewage course that I'm conducting now. So please do rate, review and recommend my courses and lessons. Share this video and subscribe us on YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy and my 12th lesson on COD, that is chemical oxygen demand by Sharayu. About me, I have completed my MTech in environmental science and technology. I've completed my BE in civil engineering. I have 2 years of experience in teaching and you can follow me on this link. So if you follow me, you will get notified every time I publish a new lesson or new course on this platform. So this is my profile here on Unacademy Learning app where you'll find my other courses as well, which is related to environmental engineering till now. So please do rate, review and recommend my courses and lessons because it is very important for me as an educator on this platform, as well as share this video and subscribe us on YouTube channel. So friends, let's start with this lesson, which is on COD, that is chemical oxygen demand. So before this we have seen what are the characteristics of sewage in detail. We have seen BOD in detail with all the solved examples and MCQs till now. So the BOD part is over and now we are going to start the COD, that is chemical oxygen demand. So it can be defined as COD is the amount of oxygen or O2 demanded to oxidize or that is decompose biodegradable organic matter as well as non-biodegradable organic matter present in wastewater using a strong chemical oxidant such as potassium dichromate. So this is the simplest explanation of COD, what actually COD is. So it is the oxygen amount of oxygen demanded to oxidize or decompose both, that is biodegradable organic matter and non-biodegradable organic matter in wastewater. For doing this, a strong chemical oxidant is used such as potassium dichromate. So it is very important term and you need to remember this. So COD represents both biological active and inactive organic matter. So generally there are two types of organic matter. One is biological active and second is biological inactive. So biological active means bacteria can stabilize this organic matter, and biological inactive means bacteria cannot act on this organic matter. So these are two types of organic matter. So COD generally represents this both biological active and inactive organic matters. So whereas BOD only gives the biological active organic matter only. So this is the main reason why the COD is greater than BOD. So in many exams, questions are asked like why COD is greater than BOD, or which of the both like COD and BOD, the which value is greater, right? So generally COD is greater than BOD. So this is the reason why, because COD represents both biological active and inactive organic matter and BOD only gives biological active organic matter. So that is the reason why COD is greater than BOD. So let's see one question on that. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The first one is BOD by COD is equal to 0. That is wastewater is toxic. Next is BOD by COD is less than or equal to 0.2. That is acclimatization of seed is necessary. Next, BOD by COD is greater than or equal to 0.6. That is wastewater is non-biodegradable. And last is BOD is equal to COD is equal to 0. So wastewater is devoid of organic matter, right? So for solving or giving a correct answer for this question, we need to know some ratios and their relations, right? So if BOD by COD is greater than equal to 0.6, it is biodegradable waste. And BOD by COD is less than 0.6, then it is synthetic waste. and BOD by COD is equal to 0, then it is toxic waste, and BOD is equal to COD is equal to 0, then it is no organic matter is present in the waste. So you need to remember these relations and this right, for BOD and COD, the relation between BOD and COD, and these values and the corresponding this statement. So here if you see, they have asked not correctly matched. So here option C is not correctly matched according to this. So BOD by COD greater than or equal to 0.6 is biodegradable waste, and here they have said BOD by COD is greater than or equal to 0.6, it wastewater is non biodegradable. So it is biodegradable. So correct option for this question is option C, that which of the following parts is not correctly matched, that is option C. Others are matched according to this solution. So please do note this, write down somewhere and memorize them whenever you get time. So next is COD is calculated by, so it is tested by a reflex apparatus or COD digester, and the reagents used for this COD test is mercury sulfate, which act as inhibitor, which inhibit chloride action, right? Next is silver sulfate, which act as a catalyst. Next is concentrated H2SO4, which contain acidic condition. Next is potassium dichromate, which is the oxidant. Next is ferrous sulfate, which is used as titrant, and ferroin is used as indicator in a COD test. Next, we'll see some MCQs related to chemical oxygen demand of sewage. So the chemical oxygen demand COD of sewage is the option A is oxygen required to oxidize biological active organic matter, and option B is oxygen required to oxidize biological inactive organic matter. Option C is A and B both, and option D is none. So as I explained you what is biological active organic matter and biological inactive organic matter, so COD generally has this both, right? So option C is the correct option for this question. Next question is, between BOD and COD the greater of the two is. So the greater of the two is COD, as I have explained you that generally COD represents both biological active and inactive organic matter, whereas BOD gives only biological active organic matter. That's why COD is greater than BOD. So option B is the correct option for this question. So in this way we have seen what is COD and the important points related to BOD and COD ratio and all. So thank you for watching this video on COD, and please do rate, review and recommend my courses and lessons, because it is very important for me as an educator on this platform, as well as share this video and subscribe us on YouTube channel. Thank you.